Hi everyone, happy Friday. Welcome to another virtual science station. I'm Sarah here with Montana Science Center, here with another virtual science station experiment. So let's get started. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020, and here is our agenda for the day. For this video, we will go over step-by-step introductions, the experiment we're doing today, the materials we will need for this experiment, the directions of this experiment, and the explanation of this experiment. Like I said, to introduce myself again, my name is Sarah Snyder. I'm the program coordinator here at the Montana Science Center. Today, our experiment is entitled The Scented Paint Recipe. Here we go. Here's what you'll be needing for this experiment. The recipe for scented paint, which I will share with you all here shortly, some paper, a paintbrush, a large mixing bowl as well as a smaller bowl. The spices that work well for this experiment are as follows. Cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, or thyme. I'm going to be using nutmeg today. Flour, cornstarch, and water. So to begin looking at our recipe, we'll measure out all of our ingredients and set them aside, which I have already done. And next we are going to, in a large mixing bowl, mix the flour, water, and cornstarch together. So that's 1 cup water, a 1/4 cup of flour, and 4 teaspoons of cornstarch. I'm going to put those measured amounts into this grater. Alright, so here's what that mixture looks like. Next, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of my chosen spice, which again, there's multiple that you can use. I'm going to use ground nutmeg. It's important that you use ground spices for this experiment so that the texture isn't wonky. Alright, so here's what this looks like. It kind of resembles a chai latte, if you're familiar with that. It smells really awesome. This is an awesome thing to incorporate while learning about the 5 senses, if that's anything at home that any of you have been learning about. And I do really also just love the science and math concepts behind reading recipes and measuring that out. There's a lot that goes behind all of that, and tons of learning standards are met with that. So, parents, don't feel like you have to have perfectly prepared lesson plans. Recipes are awesome for math and science concepts. And this is also an art concept. So, moving over here, the paint, I wrote painted high and did a little heart. As you can tell, it is kind of faint. You could add more of the spice to make it darker, or use darker paper to help it appear darker itself. However, the concept behind this is to have it be sort of a sensory experiment as well as a paint. So keeping that in mind, like I said, it smells really awesome, and this is one of my all-time favorite at-home science experiments. Yeah, we hope you all are doing well, and we'll catch you next time. All right.